how to insert a header. We're going to go over to Insert. We're going to scroll to the right. Click on Header, add a header. There are options here you can scroll through, see which one you like. We're going to choose this one. You're working on a specific paper. You will put the title, name, page, subject here, project. I'm typing header. If you have a specific position requirements from a professor, for example, you can change them here to meet those requirements. Also, here are options. If you have a main title page, you will not want a header on that page. So you can create a new different first page as well. And here I'm going to close it. And you can see your header has been inserted. It's grayed out and it shows up on all the pages you have in your document. You can also double click to go back to it. And if you'd like to change to bold, you can right click, select it, right click, bold. You want to change colors, you can. You want to change font, you can do that too. Until next time.